Assalamua'laikum childrens.
You know. Today I will show you how to draw a rainbow. First we will score 2 circles. Okay. And draw 7 left spots through that circle. Okay. I know, you can do it like, this. Okay, next. Use black sketch pen of outline. Okay. Next. Now we will start coloring. First the red color. Rainbow is a favorite. Rainbow is an emotionality. Now, orange color. Okay. I will give yellow color after orange. Now color the leaf. Okay. After that, I will give blue color. You know, rainbow is made up of 7 colors. Then blue. And then, purple. Sketch, outline. And then ready. My drawing, rainbow is done. I hope you have learned very easily. Colors are okay. Thank you, sweethearts. See you in the next video.